Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is Friday and it is nearly end of the week and the 9th of the 9th of May 2025 and I'm going to just give the whole overview about the market. And so let's just begin with the previous price action we had in New York session last night. If you remember, we had a rally down, which started with a spike after it just broke our trading range, then formed a channel, which is the market cycle always. And after this channel broke above, it started to just it started a trading range. And in trading ranges, as you know, we always buy low and sell high. So you could just buy here. If you remember, I took a trade here, but I got stopped out. But it is what it is. It happens sometimes. But right now I have other trades. I can show you how they worked. So getting back to my analysis, a trading range after the channel, and I told you market the next day might just test this part. So here was the beginning of the channel, and let's see what has happened today. So after this trading range, which you have to buy low and sell high, so this is the first trade in the Asian market, and this is the second, which is a double top. Market just drops down, so you could just buy here again. We are still in the trading range, and as long as you are in the trading range, make sure that you never do anything else. Even if when it breaks the market, when it breaks the resistance and support, you have to always do the opposite part unless it does something else. So here you could just buy again and another sell position here. You could just put your stop loss here, take the sell. This is the opportunity, entry, good entry, and even this one is a good entry. So 1, 2, 3, 4 entries. So all in all, 3 trades. So these 2 double tops make the first trade, and this one makes the second trade, and this one makes it the third trade. So you could even buy it here, this place, and just wait what happens, because this is the bottom of the trading range and you should expect it to go higher, but it doesn't. You have taken 3 trades already today and 1 small stop loss. That's it. That's the part of the game, and everybody loses sometimes, right? And the key here is to be consistent and just do something for the market to hold yourself into the game. So after you take this trade, you easily just get a stop down, market just drops below, and let's see what's the possible place that markets might just reverse up, because every trading range is a magnet, and even the widest ones, sometimes the other days market just comes to them to say hello, maybe, I don't know. When market drops down, I always measure from the bottom of the trading range to the top and drag it to the side that it has broken. So in this case, it has broken to the downside, so I'm going to measure it. Market just nearly comes to this place. If you just could put your profit target here, you might, or maybe just a little higher, you could just see this place is exactly where market has reacted to. So then market reverses up, coming back into the trading range, and see what happens. If you see, this is a spike with no pullbacks on its way. until it just touches the top of the trading range. So is it a good place to take the short? Yes, definitely it is. But you might get stopped out and it doesn't matter, which is the case here. You just get stopped out. Something I need to just tell you here is that um, when market stays on the top or bottom of the trading range for a long time, like um, this small trading range you see has formed in another trading range, you might somehow uh, become worried about your positions. So if you can psychologically um, just um, just hold what you have to hold, just sell your position and get out of the market. It's okay, it's absolutely okay. And you see it has broken to the upside, then it just forms a channel, which is the channel here. So this is the first leg, which is our spike and a correction in a trading range, a small trading range in the top of our trading range. It breaks from above, and um, very good signal here we have for another trade you could take. So here it is, and market just comes down and forms a double bottom. Let me just write it: double bottom, double bottom here. And the reason you could take this trade is that when the market breaks from a resistance level in a trading range, it touches it, and you should wait patiently for confirmation. So when it touches for the first time, it just goes up, comes down. The second signal is always more reliable than others. So I suggest to take the second signal always, which I do. And sometimes I'm a little aggressive. I like to be aggressive sometimes, but it depends on how much risk takers you personally are. And it doesn't mean that if I take this trade, you should take it as well. And never just randomly listen to the people who take trades live on YouTube, on any social medias. That is really wrong. And don't bet on their decisions. Never. Okay. So when the market just breaks to the upside, I'm going to go into the trade. So I will take this position because I know after this SPY right now, I'm entering in a channel, which we have the channel here. The channels always touch the trend channel line for 3 times, which it did here also. This is the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. When it touches, it just breaks above it. It fails and comes down, touches the bottom of the channel, and even goes lower. So our trend line has broken. So what happens when the trend line is broken after the market cycle, which is the spike and channel? It instantly enters in a trading range. Not instantly, I don't want to use this word, but most of the time it happens, and this is what you should always expect if you just trade based on pure price action. So after the market just breaks this channel line, I don't look into buying anymore because I know market has entered in a possible trading range. So I buy low and sell highs. So these are other possible trades that you could have taken today. Okay, this is the first one. Then it goes down again and just touches the bottom of the last higher low in the market. And if you see, it comes down, goes up, comes down, and forms another double beautiful bottom. So you could just take this trade as well, if you see. And where are you going to put your stop loss? Just to the bottom of the previous high, which it has beautifully touched it. And you could also put another sell limit here to just take the opposite trade. And you could, if you see in just one 5 minutes candle, this is what it has happened. Let me just show you the 5 with the 1 minute time frame. So this is our okay. Yes, this is our trading range here. So if you see, if you have you had bought it here, it goes up, comes down, doesn't matter. You should hold on to your position. It just touches your profit targets. If you just put your buy sell limit and put it above here, nearly you should measure the middle of the trading range and put your stop losses above that level. If you just drag it from above, it means this is, if this is the middle of the trading range, I'm going to measure this distance and drag the line, and it would be somewhere like here. This place I'm going to put my stop loss and take the sell limit. And then if you see market beautifully just goes down, you could just buy it here. It just goes up again and hits your profit target until market does something else. So let's get back to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, my market just hit my profit target. I was on a short setup here. I took on this candle here, and I'm going to tell you later about this trade. If you're eager, just as a reminder, comments, make a comments in the make a comments, leave a comments below to not to forget it. So after this trading range breaks above, so we're going to have again the same pattern we had here, another double bottom, and then market just pumps up so beautifully, but it is quite unstable, and I call this an E gap, which is an exhaustion gap, and a lot of buyers who had bought here, or when they see this, they're not going to just risk their hard earning profit targets, and we all are here to make money, so they are easily going to sell out their positions. And the next reason is that this channel has touched this channel line 3 times, and channels usually end when they touch the channel line, the trend channel line 3 times. Then you have to expect it to come back and even break the other side. This is the key. Okay, so this spike is the first touch of the channel, a small correction. This is the second time which it has touched the channel line, and this is the third time, which ends with an exhaustion gap. And look what happens then. After the third time, it just drops down and closes this gap. This gap between this candle it's a gap. It's a sharp move, and it's a gap here. And when this happens, I know that there is no reason to take any buys, and I become a little conservative, and I look forward for taking other possible trades. And I know that market might just enter into a trading range or does something else. It can even drop instantly and touch this bottom of this channel here. So it could just do something like this. After this breaks, this just could drop until it touches the bottom of this channel, which isn't the case here. So when the market just breaks the bottom, I always wait, because I look for short setups mostly. It can even come and touch this top, which is the top of the day and also the top of the week. And Don't forget this, the top of the wicks of the current wick and the previous wicks are really crucial to look for possible trades. They usually just market just pumps into the this key areas and form somehow some reversal patterns. So it's better to just look to do the opposite thing. So now when this channel line is broken, I took a trade, as I said, on this candle. I took my first target profit here, and it is just going down to hit the other target profit. And I want to know, why do you think I have taken this trade? If you see, this is my MetaTrader, and I just trade on this platform. I also take my screenshots to make video for you and help you to just improve and enjoy this amazing market. So I would be happy to help me and support me through this amazing journey to grow together. And I'm going to just talk about the price action and possible opportunities that will provide market for us. And guys, this is the end of the session. So just tell me why my target profit, why is it here? Please don't forget to like and subscribe and support me, and wait for the next week on Monday. See you and goodbye.